Let's do it. Now, just to kind of show you the full thing, let's sneak in, go to purchase order programs, and let's go initialize receipts. Let's pretend, say okay to this, and hit F4 on the PO and grab PO 10,000 again. So Will got on the phone and said, man, where's my 2 back-ordered parts, you know? So they notice that there's only 2 left. So go ahead and, if you want to actually put in a receiver, because a separate packing slip would show up, right? Because some guy came down special order because Will gave him a bad time and say, where's my 2 widgets? I needed 10 and I only got 8 and I need my 10.
What if we get invoiced before we receive the back order?
Well, I want to show you that by doing that. Does that make sense? Because we don't know that we've received it. Actually, in our system, we haven't received it.
Correct.
Does that make sense? Mm-hmm. But normally, if it comes the next day, it's going to have a different packing slip, isn't it? Mm-hmm. It's going to show up separately, referencing purchase order 10,000 with 2 items on it. And so let's, put in a different thing. And then now we're receiving just 2 this time, and we'll update. Now, let's file, process batch, validate, preview, and post. So the system now knows, it took us 2 receivers, but we received 2 of these things on packing slip number 5, 6, 7, 8, and the rest of them on 1, 2, 3, 4, and now they're in stock. So go ahead and hit post. Okay.